Okay, so welcome to Peeqo's official unboxing video. Just give you a quick look at the box over here for showing you what all is inside. Alright, so let's get right in. So the box that you receive might, the contents might vary a bit depending on which variant you chose. So this one has everything in it. So you'll see it has the Raspberry Pi, the 4-inch LCD IPS screen, the circuits, and there are 3 circuits in total. This is Peeqo's cloth covering. The 12-volt DC adapter, and if you're located in the EU or or Australia, you'll see the required connector as well. Then these are two 3-watt speakers, an SD card, as well as a USB, adapter that you can use to move the software onto this SD card, and that will be the first step that you'll need to do. A bunch of screws of different sizes, and you'll see that the size of the screw is marked out on the Ziploc directly. 3 servos along with the required attachments. A screwdriver so that you don't require any other tools. And different kinds of fasteners and connectors. Now, depending on whether you required the 3D printed parts or not, you'll find them in your box. And also the set of cables and wiring that you will require to get Peeqo up and running. And lastly, the custom camera. And that's about it. So now we can get to building Peeqo up.